It is good that the Nigerian police force has made a U-turn from telling the world that nobody was kidnapped, that Christian Association of Nigeria was lying, that we were lying for saying that over 160 something people were kidnapped in the church last Sunday in Kaduna. They have now reported that there are 177 people, and the names of people abducted has been released. Imagine while you are in the church, people storm your church with 3 trucks with guns shouting, "We don't need Christians. We don't need Christians. We don't need Christians," and they abduct you. What are you going to call that? Now, in this video, I want you to stay with me because I want to let you know that as a Nigerian who do not believe in Sharia or the ideology of these Islamic extremists, you are on a death row. When I mean you are on a death row, as far as you do not believe in what they are believing, they have a clear mandate from their holy book to kill you. It is stipulated there. If you do not understand this, stay with me in this video. I will make it more clearer to you.
I asked you to believe I should be killed today.
And I answered you, sir.
Yes or no?
I answered you.
Yes or no?
I answered you.
I think he said yes.
You want me to
Yeah,
answer?
I said.
Yeah, you answered me.
In a proper Islamic jurisdiction,
Yeah.
an Islamic nation, all of the laws of Islam and the Sharia, as revealed by God, should be applied.
So if we were in that kind of state, would you do it?
Including
I'm not the one that
with
executes
proper due process, with a proper court hearing, just like any nation of laws. The laws of the Sharia should be applied, including the death penalty for not only apostates but also blasphemers.
You
those who
didn't answer
insult.
me, yes or no?
We did answer
Yes,
you.
we did answer.
Yeah, so I should
did
be
answer.
killed.
We did answer.
I
your question.
deserve to be killed because I left Islam and became a Christian.
According to Islamic law, an apostate like you would be killed. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
And according
Okay,
to the
let me-
Bible.
Good morning, everyone. This is Wednesday, the 21st day of January 2026. Yesterday, my WhatsApp was not working, my WhatsApp messenger. So I got a direct call from someone who said he is a Nigerian police officer that he was, because I have to use was. He was disappointed at me that the news of 160 people I reported that were abducted from Kaduna churches, that it is false, that the Nigerian police said that it is false, that he used to come to my channel because of the authenticity of the news, but I have to go and drop that video because Nigerian police said it is a lie. So I told him that if Nigerian police said it is a lie, meaning that Nigerian police have been lobbied, because I just finished talking with some families who have victims among the people that they kidnap, and they even told me that the number that I said 160 is below the people they kidnap. So he requested for the number that he want to call those people that I am reaching out to. I said, no, it's not important. I think the Nigerian police force should do the necessary thing and stop denying, the reality on ground. So I was so happy that yesterday night when I saw that, Nigerian police make U-turn. They said that, we are sorry that we denied that people were not kidnapped. And right now that they have discovered that 177 people have been kidnapped. Now, this is of two angles. What will it profit me or profit anyone to just come out to say Christians were kidnapped when they were not kidnapped? It doesn't make sense. Now, to the side of the police, because the burden is on them right now, what shall it profit them? To know the truth, because you can't tell me that police don't have the first-hand knowledge of it. So denying it was a tactics to control the narratives about all this Christian persecution going on in Nigeria. So that was it. They wanted to control the narrative. But unfortunately, we are in 2026. If anything happens, you can't control the narrative that it doesn't happen. The truth will control the narrative. So before Nigerian newspapers could start publishing it, international newspapers were publishing it already. Yes. Okay, people might say that, this thing you people are doing, you are tarnishing the image of your country. Like, are you kidding me? Or we should keep quiet, not spread the news of what is going on because some persons are being kidnapped. You should blame the people who are kidnapping people. I told you what Shegumi wrote simultaneously when those people were being kidnapped. He said that this was the exact statement he used, that those who reject the call of peace would have to endure the pain of war. What is that? Because he said that they should embrace peace with these terrorists. The Nigerian government said no, not Nigerian government in totality, because many people in the government actually wanted peace deal to continue and so on and so forth. But some persons said no. The world are rejecting it. So Gumi is saying now, your people have to endure the pain of, of war. So Nigerian police have visited the scenes where this kidnapping incident happened. And now they are trying to blame the churches that they are building churches outskirts where people are staying. And if churches are being built inside the city, these people will also be denying the right to build churches there and so on and so forth. Like Christians are being, treated with bad omen. This is a calculated agenda. Nothing is happening for nothing. Okay. And I have said this consistently. I said, if you really want to know what is going on in Nigeria, ask questions. Why are these people killing? Why are they kidnapping? It's a simple question. Now, Shekumi and the rest of people, they wanted to control the narrative that the reason why these people are killing is because they were being, denied good things, basic amenities. And they forget that these people are not Nigerians. They are not Nigerians. Most of them were imported. So they were trying to say they were denying amenities. That is why they are killing. Shut up. This is just an agenda. It's an Islamization agenda. So whether you like it, whether you don't like it, it is what it is. It is what it is. So these people, why should they be shouting, we don't need Christians, if they are fighting for something they don't have? Why must you be shouting, we don't need Christians, while you are kidnapping people? This is a clear targeted at Christians, a clear, criminal activities targeted at Christians, and there is nothing you will remove it not to be termed as Christian genocide. Nothing. So these things are happening every day, every now and then, and it seems that there is no hope. No, there is. In the midst of global problem of Islamic extremists, sharing the same country with these people is dangerous. Sharing the same country with these people is a death sentence, because Sharia law, is enshrined in the Sharia law that infidels must be killed. People who don't believe in your faith must be killed. So sharing the same country with people who have a clear mandate to kill you is a death sentence. So having Nigeria with these people is a death sentence. You might argue with me, but you cannot argue the reality. This is a death sentence because it is in their law to kill you. Now, look at how they made a U-turn. That yes, it actually happened. I want to let everybody that is trying to be politically correct listen. There is a clear mandate to kill you if you don't belong or have the same ideology as these extremists. This ideology is enshrined in their holy book. They will kill you. If you kill them, they become martyr. Anybody who died in that process will become martyr, according to them. If they kill you, it's their gain. If you kill them, it's their gain. Such mentality is not cohabitable. Like, you can't live with these people. I'm telling you the honest truth. No, that is it. Where do we go from here? No, where do we go from here? You see, the situations around Nigeria is not something that we can continue to manage. This thing will continue forever and ever. It's an ideology. Ask people in US what is going on right now. Ask people in UK what is going on right now. Ask every now and every corner of the world. It is the same problem. There is an agenda, a clear agenda, to bring the world under the dictates of Sharia. Just bring the world. That is the mandate. For them, they are doing it for God. They are doing it for God. They are not doing it for any other person, just for God. But which God? Which God? Religion is the major problem we have on earth. And things will continue like this until everybody identifies the problem. The problem is we are living with people that we are not supposed to live with. Not because they are bad, but because they have an ideology that is a death sentence to me. That is a death sentence to you who don't believe in them. Anyway, it is what it is. If you did not understand this, give it more time. Time will come, you will understand it by force.
Ya gajiya sannu fa yawa sosai waye yaushe dawo an tafi da kai ka dawo eh bari zo da Allah ina cikin wanda sun tafi da shi ga ciwo na kai shi ba kai na kuka suka kai ku ne nan bayan dutse na hala yawa san ba za su yi nisa da wurin nan ba girma ba mu na safe ba mu je wurin ba ta sabon gida mun ga wurin ma ba kowa kufayin da koyi su a wurin kai ya aka yi ka dawo wallahi sa da lokacin da na samu na kafi da mun kai inda sun koyi mutane wannan da yarinya na hana so da mun kai wurin mutum da muna da yawa to kwata-kwata wasu gidaje fadin state na gidan ba zai wuce kofar nan ba to duk da mun kai tun da muna da yawa da mun yi cukun sai na dan na dojin na shiga cikin wani daki ne da na shiga daki na sai na rufe daki to ba wanda da ya san shi lokaci Allah ya taimaka na shiga daki
kana ina ne aka tafi da kai kana wannan kai
ina wancan ce
okay kuna ciki sai me ya faru
a lokacin da muna cikin cewa sai mun ji mutane suna yi da na fita kenan ina fita kenan sai na ga mutane su a bakin cewa da bindigogi to a lokacin sai na daga yarinya na ce zan roga da gudu sai da ya ce idan fa na yi gudu shi zai harbe sai na saya to da na saya ne sai sun ce to mu tafi suka koro mu a ikkilisiyan mu mun kai wancan coci sai na ga mutane sun har riga an tara su a waje suna da to a lokacin ne sai su mun ce to mu tafi sai muka dinga mun shiga daji kenan tafiya kenan muna kusa da gari din nan ne inda an kori mutane sai sun dan sai da mu a rana da suka sai da mu ba wani abu kawai sai duka ba wani tambayan da sai mana sai duka wuri suka duke ma wurin an gama kuma sai sun ce mu tafi to da muka tafi ne da mun kai anguwan nan sai na samu na shiga wani daki na rufe daki inda mutane suna da yawa ba ma mutanen garin mu sun zo da wasu mutane ne wanda sun kama suna da sun ajiye su a hanya kamar sun zo sun shiga to daga gari ne na fita sai na bi daji kyau na shiga na Allah ya taimaka suna da yawa gaskiya suna da yawa